Hi everybody, it's me, Jara. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, guys. Today's video is going to be a unboxing right here. I've had this box for about maybe 2 weeks now. As you can tell from the title, this is a Tory Burch unboxing. This is a bag that I have been looking at for a while, but this particular bag from Tory Burch is new for this fall, or not fall, spring and summer. So I purchased it from Neiman Marcus, and the reason why I ordered it from Neiman Marcus and not the Tory Burch store is because Rakuten, at the time I ordered this, had this bag, Rakuten was giving 10%. Was it 10%? It was 10 or 12%, guys, through Rakuten. So if you're not using Rakuten, you're missing out on free money. So I have this bag, and I have another bag that I want to show you guys that I ordered from the Horse. I've been wanting to try the brand The Horse. So we'll start with Tory, okay? So here's the box right here. I've already taken a slight peek at this bag, okay? So we got the paper. Alright, don't want to show my information. So here's the item. There's still some paper in here. So wrap it. Oh! Ugh. I am not the type of person that unwraps things in an elegant manner, guys. I will admit, I am not the most elegant person, all right? I'm kind of, I don't know, rough by nature. Okay, so here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. This is the T monogram coated canvas belt bag, and it looks like this. Ooh, look at it. If my voice sounds a little bit rough, it is because my allergies are acting up right now, you guys. I'm going to try to get through this video without having to blow my nose. I've been going outside trying to take a walk when I can, when the weather permits, and my allergies are just acting stupid. But look, y'all, to me, this reminds me of something in between like Louis Vuitton and Gucci. And so, let's see. There's supposed to be a chain and everything here. Let's see. There's a zipper here. Alright, so let's see what's inside of here. Let me see. I'm going to move that out of the way. See, here's the dust bag. Pretty green. That's the dust bag. All right, and here is the strap. Let's see what else. Here's what the inside of it looks like. Y'all know I don't really do too many unboxings on my channel. But I did want to do this with you guys because I'm excited about this bag. Because I did save some coins to try to get it. There is an outside zipper pocket here. Right? see. What's this? What is this? Oh, another strap. So it has two straps. I don't think I was aware that it was gonna have two straps. So I guess that's the crossbody. And then this is the belt strap. You have two D-rings here on the side. Huh. Okay. I like it. It's cute. T monogram. Coated canvas belt bag by Tory Burch. Two straps. I don't think I was aware that it came with two straps. I was just thinking that it was going to come with this strap right here. So I guess you can make it into a shoulder bag. All right, all right. I like it. I like it. All right. Moving on. Okay, you guys. So I wanted to try this one for you with the belt strap attached. And there's about 11 holes in here for the adjustment. So let me see. I'm gonna put it on. So here's what it looks like on me. Let's see. Ooh, y'all. I think it's cute. I like it. What you think? That's what it looks like on me. As a around my waist. It's cute. I like. Alright. Okay. So now let's see what it looks like with the shoulder strap. Let me see here. I'm just playing, y'all. This strap. See how much more thicker this strap is? Let's see here. Here. And I guess I can carry it, try to carry it on my shoulder. Here. This. And I guess I can use this around my waist too. Or I can do it like this as a crossbody. I can wear it like that. Like this. Or I can tighten the strap here. Let's see here. I don't want to waste too much of you guys' time, but you guys get the idea. So I could tighten it like that. So this strap I guess would be way more casual. And I'm in my onesie, y'all. So I'm just at home, decided to get on camera and make a video. So I like it. I like it. Alright, so let me get myself adjusted to show you my bag that I purchased from The Horse. Okay, so here is my bag that I purchased from The Horse. And I purchased this around the end of the year of 2024. Around the holiday time, I ordered this. And this is the leather sporty crossbody in the color oat. So another crossbody, guys. Another smaller bag. And I know most people, they order the that other popular bag by the Horse that a lot of people is ordering. I can't remember the name. If I can't remember it, I'll put it somewhere here on the screen. But I chose to go with this crossbody bag, guys. So there's a zipper here. The color oat is so pretty to me. The horse is engraved here. The back has no pocket. The strap is not detachable. And let's see here. Let me take this off because let's see if I can take this Ugh, I can't get that off without scissors, and I don't have scissors close by me, guys. So let me see what the inside this pocket looks like. It's just a dark brown color. Silver hardware. Nice smooth zipper. Okay, let's see what's on the inside. Dust bag. The dust bag is pretty decent. It just has the horse written on it here. It's made out of some type of this. It is canvas. It's nice. Stuffing. Cardboard. The little tag is here. It's in leather. Brown interior. Can y'all see? Let's see. There's 2 slip pockets, and there is up front here, there is a interior zipper pocket. Yeah, that goes across the inside of the bag right here. It's hard to show you guys. Let's see. Ooh, I can smell that leather. So here's this, y'all. It's cute. This bag, this crossbody bag, the interior of this is larger than the Tory Burch. Let's see. Oh yeah. Y'all can see the difference. This is way bigger. I'm going to be able to fit way more in the horse crossbody bag than I can the Tory Burch bag. But I am happy with both of these bags. I like. Why am I like right now drawn more towards this horse bag than I am this? I forget what I paid for this, but I think this Tory Burch bag at $348. I think I paid more for this, y'all. I did. I can't remember what I paid for this. But yeah, I'm happy. So, guys, that is it for this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, okay? And I highly appreciate it. I've gained a couple of more new subscribers. Thanks, y'all. All right, you guys, stay safe out there. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.